All right, so we have this commercial lever. There's a panic bar on the inside, and all we have to do is remove that cylinder and put in this one. We have Nick with AW Locksmith here. He's gonna insert the key, turn it, use his little pokey tool to push on the release while pulling out that handle. Here is the new cylinder. There's a little plastic piece that you need to pull out. It's going to insert the new cylinder, put in that little plastic guard, and once he's got that, slide that handle right back in, insert the key, turn it, push the handle, and now it's back locked in place. Good to go.